How to add Passkey to Facebook account. So first of all, launch Facebook. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. Then tap on the three lines icon at the top left. From here, scroll down below. And then you would have to tap on Settings and Privacy. After you tap on it, go ahead and tap on Settings. Once you come to Settings and Privacy, tap on See More in Account Center. From here, go ahead and select Password and Security. Then, over here you'll see the option of Passkey. Tap on it. Now, just tap on Create Passkey. Now, from here you can see that if you create a passkey and use it to log in the same way, that you unlock your device with a fingerprint, face scan or screen lock. Then you can also see that your biometric data such as a fingerprint or face scan is never shared with Meta. So you can also see safety details as well. Then just tap on Create Passkey. Now once you come here, you would have to enter the code that has been sent to your WhatsApp account. So that code will be sent to the number you had entered in order to create your Facebook account. So you will get a code that looks something like this on your WhatsApp account. So let's enter it. Then tap on Continue. Then tap on Save Another Way. Now from here, choose your email account you wish to save your passkey to. Then you can use PIN or use biometric way in order to continue further. So I'm going to tap on Use PIN. Now you would have to enter your phone's current PIN. And with that, you will be able to create a passkey for your Facebook account. You can use a passkey as a secure and easy alternative to passwords on Facebook and Messenger. If you wish to, you can select the option of Remove in order to remove the current passkey that you have created. So now, after this, if you log in to your Facebook account, you won't have to enter your password again and again. You can simply use the passkey that you had created and that you had saved on your Google account or any other device account that you had chosen. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.